we're running a little bit hot tonight. I can barely see the road from the heat coming on. Reach down.
Oh, finally.
Woohoo! Woohoo! We're back on the road again. What is it? Are we the first of
Yeah.
No, are we the first?
No, we're the 30th.
Or the 30th of April, so still I thought we were going to start writing on the 1st of May. Hello everybody, it's Rob here again. Yes, you saw me from my little videos earlier there. Today, the first startup and the first sit-on after 7 months and 2 months of owning the bike. So now I'm here with Bailey. Hello! First ride of the season and we're already having Senna problems. Woohoo! Are you still there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you're still there. You're super quiet too, eh? Well, again, it's probably because of my earplugs.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, you have earphones.
Yeah. There we go. Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Nice to get back out. So, ooh, look at that booty. Ride the bicycle. So, hey, I sent you that link yesterday with a couple of those bikes there that was on the Facebook Marketplace. Did you see them?
Oh, that didn't open.
Oh, okay. I'll show it to. Well, how come you didn't get to see them? It's still the
Because
Marketplace.
every time I click on the link, the Facebook shut down.
Oh, interesting. All right. It is what it is. Long, boring process of breaking in a motorcycle. I can't go over 4,000 RPM. That's okay, I guess. You know, this important part is the proper break-in procedure of a motorcycle will change the life expectancy of that motorcycle. You know, I guess if you take care of it, it will take care of you. Right. Right. That's strange. I don't know. It got turned on. Ooh, are you dancing or what? Huh? All right, give me a second here. I just want to put this here. And oh, now you're connected?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, wow, not so loud, cheeky poo. Okay, I got to do a selfie. I haven't done a selfie in a long time.
We're doing a selfie?
Yeah, we got to do a selfie. Come here. Goosies. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Hey, you got to tell me when you're jumping on the bike, eh? You're jumping on, you're getting too big just to jump on like that and yank on my arms. You jump on and I fall off. All right.
Right.
Hello. Okay. Take a nice little kind of leisure ride home or what? Well, no, I'm hungry. Aren't you hungry?
I'm hungry.
It's been a busy day today. So much for a super duper break-in procedure. I'm at 28 kilometers. That in miles for you guys down in the States, it's probably like 3 miles. No, I'm just kidding. But 28 kilometers. Poor thing doesn't even get to warm up properly. So, but just doing some typical running around. Bailey's idea of wanting to go for a motorcycle ride was, oh, take me to the mall. Okay. So much for a motorcycle ride. Thank you. Goof. So, anyways. Wow, there are a lot of potholes out there this spring so far. Again, new tires, got to take it easy going around the corner. Nobody's trying to shove me up the arse. Just warm it up. Very important. Oh. We get to do our Leslie Lakeshore fairly soon too, but I think this week is going to rain, so it won't be that nice. Let's get home. What are we having for supper? Hello? Do you hear me?
Huh?
Yeah, you don't even hear me because your visor's up and you're making so much noise and wind. Oh, is that what it is? You're listening to music. Well, turn me off then. Whatever. Poop. Oh, nothing. I love you, dear.
Now I've turned my music off.
No, oh, now you turned it off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. So, what are we at now? We're just hovering around 4,000 RPM, and that's probably around about maximum engine speed RPM that you want to do on a break-in, and that's giving us 92 kilometers an hour. So, caca-poo-poo, I feel like I'm riding a scooter. So, that's okay. Yeah, what do we have for supper?
No, I don't even know.
Oh, roast beef, eh?
I don't know.
Yeah, roast beef with mashed potatoes and a gravy. I guess I got to start hosting a couple of rides now for TTSR. I still want to finish off most of the break-in, and if I can, I don't know, we'll do a couple of short rides. You gonna come up and ride with us a bit?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Woohoo, okay.
We should go to Lamar's Pizza.
Lamar's Pizza. Well, we just had that the other day.
I know, we need more.
No, man, we need to go, oh, how about Weber's Burgers?
Yeah, we should go there too.
Yeah, remember the last time we went to Weber's Burgers, I smashed my phone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, oh, this guy wants to get through. Yeah, that wasn't a very good day. Whatever. So, what do you think about the bike so far?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm taking it.
Huh?
I'm taking it.
You're taking it away from me?
Yep.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. How about, can you name me what accessories that are on this bike so far? Starting from the front, working all the way back.
I don't know, I can't see.
Yeah, well, just by memory, right? No, you don't remember?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, we got front axle sliders, and then from there we're gonna have the Rigid Industry Ignite lights, and then I got my windshield, I got my ram mount, I got my stabilizer, I got heated grips. I love my heated grips. Woohoo! I got my levers, and then we got the knuckle guards, my GoPro mount. I put a black bar on. See, that's the difference that makes it. Look how black it is. It's like so, ooh, you know, super hot. All my graphics, did all the graphics. I got the vent inserts. I got my flashers, engine guards, shad seat, rear rack, side covers. Let's see, what else? Oh, quick shifter. That's also an accessory here for Canada. Oh, the tag eliminator. I put the tag eliminator on. And then from there I put on a new chain guard. Oh, exhaust, duh. It's not like we're listening to it right now. Got the exhaust. I said the rear rack, and we have the luggage for that. And we got the backrest piece. And then, oh, I have a quick access easy charge port. And then, did I say my levers, my brake levers and clutch levers? I don't know. If I did, if I didn't, I didn't. Whatever. And then I got some saddlebags and everything, and I got my tank guard to protect her. All in all, after everything's said and done, MSRP, retail value of this motorcycle, plus all the accessories, after tax, without installation, which is probably $26 American. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. So, but yeah, it's a lot of money. A lot of money. But it's so worth it. You know what? You only live once, girl. Might as well have fun. So if you want this bike, you better work hard. I'll give you a super sweet deal.
Oh, what?
For the bike.
$5,000? Yeah.
What? Yeah, right. Okay. I should go trade it in for an R1M. Oh, bark, 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 bark. Dog barking at us. No, you know what I want next?
What?
A Nissan 370Z.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, why not?
I don't need that.
I know you would love to play with the 370Z.
No.
Oh, bark, 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 another one. What is it with the dogs and they don't like motorcycles? Or it's the growl of the motorcycle.
You're so weird.
I am so weird. Well, that's what happens when you get... I've been absent from motorcycling for 7 months. Of course I'm going to be weird. Anyways, we are back home. It is now time for din din, because my tummy's saying I'm hungry. So, thank you very much for joining me for the day, breaking in the motorcycle and going for the small ride. That was the first ride again of the year, and the first time actually that you and I had sat on this bike and started it up. Until then, I bid adieu. Thank you very much for your support, your subscriptions, your comments, any feedback. Let us know. Till next time, peace.
Yeah.